My name is Neeraj Kumar. I have got almost 13 years of experience in the field of soft skills training, digital marketing, English language, and personality development training. Currently, I am working with Presidency University as a senior soft skills faculty in the Department of Learning and Development. I have been working here since July 2019. Being a trainer, I have got privilege to visit across India and provided training at different levels, such as universities, colleges, institutions, and some of the corporates. My area of specialization in training deals with soft skills training, digital marketing training, English language training, and personality development training. In the field of soft skills training, I do talk about what is soft skills, why it is really very essential for young generation, and what are those soft skills. In the domain of digital marketing training, I do talk about search engine optimization, social media marketing, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, and e-commerce platforms. In the field of English language training, I do provide training on how to develop a good communication skill in English after knowing the basic grammar part. In the field of personality development training, I do talk about what are those personality traits which are really very required, and I also do cover some of the personality theories such as short analysis, transaction analysis, Johari window, etc. As far as my area of interests are concerned, I do have interest in exploring myself into different domain. I have been exploring myself in the area of video editing. I do love recording my videos, editing, and then uploading on my YouTube channel. Apart from this, I do also have interest in dancing, which I really enjoy. Whenever I get free time to dance, I do love dancing with my kid. So this was my short introduction. I am looking for some of the opportunities where I can bring up my productivity for the development of the organizations and bring out the productivity for the organization. Thank you.